on. Let's see. Gordo. Easy. 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 Get in your stall. Get in your stall. Get in your stall. Get in. Get in. Get in. Good boy. Good boy. See, he knows where his stall's at. Is your food in there? Oh, no. Hold on. Gordy, get in. Get in. Your food is in there. Get in. Where are you going? Come on. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Well, that's how you let a loose mare, so you get a loose stallion and a loose mare back in their stall again. I guess next time I should do a better job.